I told Ginger, watch out for the deer. We have 4. Oh, 5. Oh, the babies. Hi, baby. There's a turkey. Here in the front. Hi. Where? Oh yeah, the baby. Turkey, turkey.
Oh yeah, it's summer now, so we have to go.
Wow. And Ginger. Turkeys in Madera Canyon. Wow. There's a lot of them. See what's up everyone. We're here in Nature Trail with Ginger, Troy, and the girl over there, Kylie. Yep. Nice in 5 deer and I think 11 or 12 turkeys. And water. Wow, it's flowing really good today. See? So beautiful. It's running. The water is flowing finally. Wow. Look how gorgeous. And here too. Wow. See the water flowing. Ooh, let's take a picture. Right, we must follow the leader today. She have 4-legged. It's a 4-legged person. So we'll just chill out, I think. We love the water. We have the same birth month, March, Pisces. Ginger wet?
Yes, there's the parking lot.
Oh yeah, the first
Or is that
one.
a tree?
Kylie's exploring more waterfalls. I think she wanna slide. The rock is very slippery, like this. Very shiny. You're gonna slide, my love.
I'm gonna slide over.
Yeah. You're gonna get wet.
Slide.
And you like it. No, I can't. You're gonna go down. Just go down. Got you. You see the fox squirrel? There. Moving. Wow. There you go. So, from Madera Canyon, we're here in McDonald's. We got chicken nuggets. This is what I got. I don't know what this is. There. Why you open my box? So, let's see. Look at mine. So small.